My channel has well over 100 videos. Every one of them deals with low sodium. Recipes or tips to help you keep your sodium low through the day. If you're active on any social media, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any of them, well, I got a favor to ask you. If you share the Sodium Attacker channel occasionally, just put me out there on all of them. We don't know what medical condition our followers have. Many times, people get so frustrated, and they say, oh, I cannot do this. And they quit. Watching sodium is doable. We've been doing this for 4.5 years now, keeping my husband's sodium low. I want to catch those people that are about to give up, because there's so much that they can do, and there's so much they can learn on this channel. I just thank you in advance for sharing my channel.